Leetcode weekly context 470. Question number 2. Longest subsequence with non-zero bitwise XOR. This is a medium problem. So we can imagine the best case first. Say this one. The total XOR of this array will be 5. Then this will be the longest subsequence, which is 3. But what if it is another special case is which is where the array is all 0? In this case, the total XOR will be 0 and the result will be 0. So if other than these two cases, we can always take one number out of this array if the total XOR is 0. In this case, after take the number out, the new XOR will be non-zero and the result will be the length of this array minus 1. So this is the result. This will be the best case. This will be the worst case. That's all we have to know, all we need for this problem.